Hello, good evening, everybody. Today we start the actual syllabus of the 12th standard mathematics second with the first chapter differentiations. So, in this differentiations, the first article is derivative of a composite function. So we know the here this function, the derivative of this function f of x. So its derivative is the derivative of sin x is cos x. We denote this way, in this way. And also, can you say the derivative of this type of function f of x equal to sine of x cube? And so the derivative of this function is f dash x equal to the derivative of sine is cos x cube. Derivative of sine x cube is cos x cube first, and then the derivative of this x cube is 3x square by using x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. And so this type of function is called as a composite function, and so it is also called as a function of the function. Here our original function is sin x, and here there is another function in the angle of sine. The angle of sine is x here, and here the angle of sine is x cube. So we replace the angle of sine x, we replace x where there is x is x cube here. So that's why it is the function of the function, and it is also called as a composite function. So we take some examples again here, examples of the composite functions. So first, so the derivative or like the function f of x equal to root of tan of e raised to x. Next example, log of x square plus 1. Third example, e raised to x square plus 1. So these are the few examples of composite functions. Now we take the derivative of some standard composite functions. So we take the revision here. So here function and its derivative. And so here also we take composite function and its derivative. So first function x raised to n here. So the derivative of x raised to n with respect to x. So it is the power function. So the derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. And same way in the composite function, the derivative of f of x with respect to x. Where there is x, so it is replaced by function x raised to n here, and so therefore its derivative of a composite function is n into function f of x raised to n minus 1 into again, so we have to find the derivative of this f x is f dash x into f dash x. Second function, we take its example. So the derivative of x raised to 7, it is 7 into x raised to power 7 minus 1 is 6. Same way here, the example, the derivative of x to the power sin x to the power, or x to the power sin x, or x square plus 1 to the power 7 here with respect to x. And so here it is 7 into, we use here again x raised to n, formula for x raised to n, same this. So function is f of x is x square plus 1, and so it is n into x square plus 1 raised to power 7 minus 1, it is 6 into, by chain rule, by composite function, the derivative of this x square plus 1, the derivative of x square is 2x, and the derivative of constant 1 is 0. So in this way we have to find the derivative of composite function. Our main function is this x raised to n. Second, the derivative of root x. So the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. And same way, in the composite function, derivative of root of f of x. And so its derivative of a composite function is 1 upon 2 into root of function f of x into, by chain rule, by composite function, the derivative of this function. So we take example of this function. Here it is so easy, that's why we take example of this composite function. So derivative of root of sin x, so 1 by 2 root of sin x into, by chain rule, by composite function, the derivative of sin x is cos x. So third, derivative of in this composite function, the derivative of constant function is 0. Same way, derivative of our function k is a constant 0. So derivative of k constant is 0. Here it is also derivative of constant k is equal to 0. Now the next, fourth, derivative of 1 by x, standard function 1 by x, is minus 1 by x square. And in this composite function, derivative of 1 by f of x is equal to minus 1 by f of x square into, by chain rule, the derivative of this function f dash x. So here again we take its example. So here the example of this composite function 1 by f of x. So derivative of 1 by sin x, it is equal to, by using this formula, minus 1 by sin x whole square into derivative of f of x. So f of x means here it is the sin x, and the derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is the composite function, derivative of a composite function 1 by sin x. Next, fifth number. So we take a trigonometric functions. There are 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. It's a derivative. So the derivative of the sine, we know that, is cos x. Similarly, in composite function, the derivative of sine of f of x is equal to, the rate of sine is cos f of x, cos f of x into, by chain rule, its derivative of that function f of x. Again its derivative f of x is f dash x. Example here. So derivative of sine of e raised to x. The angle of sine is e raised to x. It is the function of the function. So therefore its derivative of this composite function is first derivative of sine of e raised to x is cos of e raised to x, and by chain rule derivative of this e raised to x is e raised to x. The derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Next standard function, derivative of cos x. So we know that the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Same way, in composite function, the derivative of this composite function cos of f of x is equal to minus sine of f of x into, by chain rule, this derivative of f dash x. So we take examples of this composite function cos of f of x again. So the derivative of cos of tan x. Here this is the first function cos, and its angle again is the function tan x. So the derivative of cos of tan x is minus sine of tan x into, by chain rule, the derivative of this function f of x f dash x means derivative of tan x is sec square x. Now the next seventh, derivative of tan x, standard function. So the derivative of tan x is sec square x, and same way the derivative of composite function tan of f of x is sec square f of x into derivative of f of x is f dash x, derivative of f x f dash x. So we take an example of this. So derivative of tan of x cube or x raised to 4. So it is equal to, first derivative of tan of x raised to 4 is sec square x raised to 4 into derivative of x raised to 4, second function, is 4x cube. Now we take again next standard function, it is a cot. So derivative of standard function cot x. So we know that the derivative of cot x is minus cos square x. Same way, composite function. So the derivative of composite function cot of f of x is equal to the minus cos square f of x into derivative of this f of x is f dash x. Same way, we take as example. So the derivative of cot of log x. The angle of cot is log x here, and so the first derivative of cot of log x is minus cos square log x into, by chain rule, the derivative of log x is 1 by x, a composite function. And then next, sec, derivative of sec x standard functions. We know the derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. And in this derivative of a composite function, sec of f of x, there is a change in only x replaced by the function. So therefore, derivative of sec f of x, composite function sec f of x is sec f of x into tan f of x into, by chain rule or composite function, derivative of this function f of x is fx is f dash x. Next standard function, trigonometric standard function, is cosec x, and so the derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Same way, in the composite function, so the derivative of a composite function cosec f of x is minus cosec f of x into cot f of x into derivative of fx. So we take example here. So the derivative of cosec x raised to 7, and so the derivative of composite function cosec x raised to 7 is minus cosec x raised to 7 into cot x raised to 7 into, so the derivative of x raised to 7 is by x raised to n, by power function x raised to 1, it is a 7 x raised to 6. And so there are the 6 trigonometric functions. Now we take next standard functions, which is exponential functions. So the derivative of exponential function e raised to x is, the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, and same way the derivative of a composite function e raised to x, e raised to f of x here, because there is x, we put f of x is equal to e raised to f of x into derivative of that f of x. Fx is f dash x. So example, take its example, derivative of e raised to sin x is equal to e raised to sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So next exponential function a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x. A raised to x. Exponential function a raised to x. Derivative of a function a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. And same way, the derivative of the composite function a raised to f of x. And so its derivative is a raised to f of x into fx into log a into derivative of this f dash x. So we take example here. So the derivative of a raised to tan x, a raised to tan x, composite function a raised to tan x. So here the derivative of a raised to tan x is a raised to tan x into log a into derivative of tan x is sec square x, because tan x is f of x. Next, it is a logarithmic function, standard function, derivative of log x. We know that the derivative of log x is 1 by x. And so in composite function, we write this derivative of log of f of x. So the derivative of log of f of x is same way 1 by fx into f dash x by chain rule or composite function, because the composite function is also called as a chain rule. It is also called as the function of the functions. Now last, in the last, the derivative of log x to the base e, derivative of log x to the base e. So here the derivative of log x to the base a is 1 by x into log a. This is the derivative of log x to the base a. And same way, in composite function, the derivative of log of f of x to the base e is equal to 1 by f of x into log a into derivative of this function fx. We take its example here. Derivative of log of sin x to the base e is equal to, so first derivative of this composite function log of sin x to the base e is 1 by sin x into log a into derivative of this sin x is cos x. So these are the all standard composite function whose derivative. Now we take few example of this composite function on this composite function. So exercise 1.1. I hope you you understand, better understand. So the exercise 1.1. So first example. So question is like differentiate the following functions with respect to x. So first question here. The first example, x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. So let y equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 minus 1 to the power 5. So actually we have to take this type of example before this log down here actually. So we have to give one. So differentiate with respect to x, we get, so the derivative of y with respect to x in the left hand side, it is dy by dx, and in the right hand side the derivative of x cube minus 2x minus 1 whole raised to power 5. And so here we use, actually it is the algebraic function, its power n. We use here the derivative of x raised to n. So the derivative of x raised to n, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. So we use here, n means here it is 5, and this x means this functions x cube minus 2x minus 1. And so first derivative is here, n means it is 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to power 5 minus 1, it is 4, into, by chain rule there is another function, that's why we take its derivative. So the derivative of x cube minus 2x minus 1, and so therefore 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 5 minus 1 is 4 into, so the derivative of x cube is again here we use this formula here. So x cube, so it is its derivative is 3x square minus derivative of 2x is 2, and the derivative of constant is 0, and so this is the final answer, dy by dx. So in this way we take another examples in next lecture. So today we stop here.